Alright guys, so this is Alisky's Malaysian hair. Yes, I didn't know what it was in the video, couldn't find it. But this is their Malaysian hair, and I got 4 bundles and a frontal, sorry. So right here I'm just showing you the packaging that I got this in. I really love their packaging. I'm a sucker for that kind of a bag. It's very good for storage. So I got some 3D mink hair lashes. I don't know about that being 3D. I got some weaving cap, and I also got a card with some information about the company on it, and like where to find them and where to follow them and stuff. So this is the frontal, and I actually got 20 inches in the frontal. And for the bundles, as you guys can see here, I got 4 bundles of 24 inches, and I love how soft this is. I should have known it was Malaysian hair, but sometimes for these textures, Malaysian and Peruvian tend to feel the same, so I wasn't sure if it was Peruvian or Malaysian. But I love how soft this hair is. So now I'm just going to be coloring the hair, well, the lace, yeah. So I'm going to be coloring the lace, and I'm just remembering that I didn't even normally, I will put foundation on the lace when I color it, but I didn't even do it for this. So I'm pretty excited to get this tweezed for you guys. So just mix the mixture and put it on the lace. Now please be careful with this, because I tended to be hella heavy handed with this step, and I end up the bleach ends up coming through the knot and onto the hair itself. So be careful with this step. But let me just go ahead and say, I do say this for the video, but let me just go ahead and say this is some good hair. Oh, so here I'm just showing you guys how I'm just making the wig. I'm just right at the top now. I already sewed on the frontal, the bundles and everything. I just have one more bundle to sew on. This I used 3 bundles for this wig, and the frontal, so I have 1 extra bundle. The hair has a minimal shedding, which I'm extremely pleased about, because it's curly hair, so it's expecting a lot of shedding, but so far so good. So this is what the wig is looking like. Not colored. Hopefully it blends nicely with me, but my hair is now blonde. So this is the curl pattern. The only thing that I washed was the frontal when I did it. I haven't washed the hair, but yo, this hair is so soft already, really light. 3 bundles and a frontal. So let me go ahead and put my little stocking cap on. And I deliberately put foundation in my hair, like at the front, to kind of conceal my blonde hair somewhat. Hopefully that works. So I have to cover that up. Let me go ahead and slip this on. Look at like the bleach touch right there. So I do have the fan on, so I suspect that I'm going to have to go ahead and turn the fan off. It's going to be blowing the hair all over the place, but oh, not bad. Not bad at all. So let me just, I didn't tweeze the frontal either. I didn't. So if you want it to be a glueless wig, you can just go ahead and pop it on, but you won't be able to do that, you know, like grabbing, and you know, like I love to do that. You won't be able to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and position this. Maybe a little bit further on my forehead. Then use my guts to be free spray, and just like spray in between to adhere. Alright, so this is what my edges are looking like. As I said, I didn't tweeze it, but this is what it looks like now. I wish I had tweezed it though, because I'm liking how that's looking. So this is 3 bundles of 24 inches plus a 20-inch frontal, as I showed you guys. This is the hair, extremely soft. and light on my head. And for the wig cap that I used, I didn't expect it to be so light. So as I said, I did not do anything at all. I did not tweeze it or nothing, so the hairline is looking hella harsh. I do know that, but I have a little bit of a story here. It's like nice. Ooh, look at that. That's a considerable amount of parting space. A considerable amount of parting space. That's not bad. But from here to here is parting. That's not bad. That's not bad. So I was about to tweeze the closure, and this is no excuse, but I have to tell you guys a story. So I took out my tweezer. This, let me see. Okay, it's not near me. Took out my tweezer. I was just tweezer to tweeze my closure, my frontals. And when I took up the tweezer, it was like bent. Let me show you. It was like bent. So now I'm like, oh. So I straightened it, or I thought I did. I know I'm trying to tweeze, and that the hair is just sliding through the tweezer. The tweezer is not having any grip. This was yesterday evening. I had no time to run out and get a new tweezer. Sorry, we're left with this, you know. But that doesn't take away from the hair, though. Right? It's very, very nice. I love it. I love... Look at that. Oh my gosh. Right, this is everything Alisky. I'm no stranger to working with Alisky. I love working with Alisky because they have really good hair, and this is no exception. Another thing, my son, I was in the midst of changing my password for my phone. And I put on my phone, and apparently Jonathan got into it, and I had to reset my phone. No, I have nothing on my phone. Like, these are all the apps I have download back on my phone. I have nothing else on my phone. Nothing. As you can see, it's like the original wallpaper. So now in my emails, I'm trying to find which hair this I'm wearing. In my emails, I'm going back in with Alisky, and for some reason, I'm not seeing what hair. I'm just not seeing what hair, and she sent an image. I think I sent an image, but I know for a fact that this is their deep wave hair or curly hair. But I would definitely have the origin as well as the accurate texture in the description bar for you guys, so please check out the description bar, you guys. So yeah, this is my type of thing. Let me show you guys how long it is. It's like right under my breast for 24 inches. The length is not bad at all, and I'm loving how this is looking, you guys. Thank you so much, Alisky, for working with me again and again. This really means a lot to me, and thanks you guys for your patience with me for doing these hair videos. I know some of you appreciate them, some of you don't, but in order, I'm trying to perfect my skills. So I love when I get hair, so I can, you know, tweak. How I sewed this on is similar to what I sewed it on the last video that I showed you guys, and I just love how it looks. I love my technique. I love how I'm growing with making these wigs and personalizing them as well. But what I definitely am going to do is buy another tweezer and tweeze the front, because I know, because I bleach it, I know this thing can look like scalp. And when I do that, I'm going to go ahead and post a picture on Instagram and show you guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. By the way, I'll only be posting posts that I have to post, like paid posts, on my Instagram page for the rest of the month of September, because everything for me will be taking place on my Lyric Rochester international page, because I am having classes both in Kingston and in Florida, and right now you get $150 off the Kingston classes and $165 off the Florida classes. So if you register before the 20th of September, you get those discounts, you know, for whichever where we are, Kingston or Jamaica or in Florida. So I'm posting a lot on my Lyric Rochester international page just to promote the page, you know, get some followers and get the word out there, basically. So yeah, so these posts that are sponsored posts, these will be on my Lyric Rochester Instagram page, so follow that. But if you want like daily occurrences, that's definitely my Rochester International page for now, you know. So yeah, so this is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your patience. Again, Cassie nailed it on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.